So what we got now is Mr. M's uncle's Buell. Tell him what kind of Buell.
It's a Buell XB12S, build year 2003, and it has problems.
Mr. B, what kind of problems are there?
That doesn't shift past second gear, you can't find neutral.
Yesterday we put it on the bridge, turned off the engine, and it was easy to get into neutral. But when the bike is running, it doesn't. So something's spinning inside that is causing some kind of lack of friction or whatever. So that's what we're gonna find out. So, you guys?
Hold on.
Let the games begin.
Let the games begin.
Cheers.
Here we go.
Mr. B, what do you think is the problem?
I did some homework. There's a shift lever inside. The spring operated.
Right.
So if you can't get past second gear, it means you shift it down. It doesn't come back into neutral position, so to say. The spring doesn't come back into neutral.
So
it could be broken spring or a bent shift lever.
Stop filming me. I'm the lightning
Lighting
guy.
Lighting guy.
Sorry. The alcohol makes my tongue go.
Already? You just got here. I love your shirt though, Mr. B.
Ebola.
La la la, Ebola. I got it in Zaire and it made me in. You got a first diagnosis. basically 3 millimeters short. to grip the next roller to turn the transmission next gear.
Okay.
So it's going like this.
And now it's
Here
cruising.
in between is neutral, and then it should go to the second gear, and it's not engaging.
Alright guys, so what we did today, the primary cover, we were hoping to go for a quick fix, but what we saw was that the shifter wasn't catching the little, what do you call those things?
I don't know, spline wheel.
It wasn't going all the way top so that we could grab it and go to the next gear, which means we're going to have to drop the block and split it so we can get to the transmission to see if the forks that are between the gears, if they're straight.
We talked to the owner, he agreed to the operation.
We're going to need a lot of courage to get this done. This is the biggest project we've ever done.
Oh, we got service manuals, we got YouTube and the internet, and
Logic thinking and beer muscles.
a liquid humor.
Liquid humor. We're going to need a lot of that. So stick around and watch us take apart the rest of the bike. Have a good one.
Yeah. Cheers, boys.
Oh, get your beer.
Bye.
Cheers,
Bye.
boys.
Cheers, boys.
There you go. See you later.